This is one of the easiest leather bracelets you'll ever make, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Choose your leather and make sure it's long enough that you can get a strap out of it that's long enough to fit around your wrist as many times as you want it to. Make sure to add about 4 inches for the knot. Since I want to wrap the bracelet around 3 times, I'm going for about 30 inches. The leather strap will be a 1/4 inch thick, so mark a 1/4 inch across the edge you're going to cut. Next, line the ruler up with your 1/4 inch marks and make the cut. I use a rotary cutter because I think it's easier to make a clean edge, but it doesn't have to be perfect and can be done with almost any cutting tool. I'm cutting out a couple straps because I want to have a few extra. Once you've got all the straps cut out, all that's left is to cut a 1/2 inch hole on one end for the strap to go through. Make sure to leave about a 1/4 inch on the end. I just used an X-Acto knife for this part, and again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Just try to make a clean cut through the leather, and if the strap doesn't fit through, you can always come back and make the hole bigger. Once you're done making that hole, you're ready to put the bracelet on. As I mentioned, depending on the length you do, you can do 1, 2, or 3 wraps around your wrist before you put the strap through the hole. Then you just pull it through until it's as tight as you like it, and then you tie a knot. Depending on the humidity of where you live, you may want to go a little bit tighter or looser to accommodate shrinking or stretching. Leather shrinks in low humidity and stretches in high humidity. The last step is to cut off any extra length on the strap, and you're done. I made a couple bracelets that have 2 wraps and a couple bracelets that have 3. Let me know in the comments what you like better. If you end up making one, make sure to send me a message on Instagram to show me. I'd love to see it. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.